You get to practice your skills and how you would act in a professional setting, and I love that about Vantage.
In the grand scheme, what we're trying to do is take data sets, really make sense of it, and focus on deliverables that we can glean out of that data to take away from this data a story. And that's really for our course the ultimate goal.
The main thing has been just seeing how much business analytics and data, how big of an impact it can have. Because before I never really thought about how important it is.
So I was assigned to work with Best Buy. We got to help implement some new things into Best Buy's portfolio of things they can offer students.
The companies provide a problem that involves data collection, and the students are really creating deliverables for those companies.
I did a project with Kowalski's Markets, analyzed their sales data to make recommendations on their merchandising strategies. More and more businesses are using things like artificial intelligence. It's completely changing how business is working.